Hi, and welcome to step 6 of our 7 steps to success. And this one is super easy and super fun because it is join and participate. And that is exactly what it sounds like. Now that you've gone through the first 5 steps, or you've gone through the hard work of figuring out what you want to do and why you want to do and what your goals you want to be, and all of those other things that have come up that you've had to deal with, this one is fun because you can actually, and it may seem a little overwhelming at first, but please don't let it be. But you want to join groups or organizations or whatever that are participating in activities that will bring you closer to your goals. So, for example, if your goal is to become financially empowered, you could join the How to Be a Money Maker free Facebook community. Very simple. There are other uh, groups within Facebook, LinkedIn, um, just online, privately, in your community, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, that will do the same thing. That will bring together a group of like-minded individuals to either mastermind or to learn together or just bounce ideas, round table, whatever. Each one will be dependent on what they do. They're all independent. It all depends on what the group was set up for. But these are all groups, once again, we come back to that whole, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And so you want those people to be people who are like you, where you want to go, have a lot of the same goals, maybe are where you are already where you want to be. And a lot of times you're going to these groups, you'll see people, they're absolute beginners, there are people that are kind of midway through their journey, and then they're going to have experts or people that have really accomplished it and figured it all out. So, you want to try and get in there somewhere where you're maybe not the absolute beginner in the room, but you're somewhere in the middle. So there are people that you can help, and there are people that can help you. And once again, you can Google how to blah, 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 or groups that, da, 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 however, depending on what you are trying to accomplish and where you're trying to get to. And then the next part of it is participate. It's not enough to join. Just like it's not enough to learn, you have to take action. Same thing, you have to join and participate. It does you absolutely no good to join a group and then lurk and read the comments and not actually participate and not help other people out or not ask questions. So once you get in that group, go ahead and start asking questions. Start hopping into conversations. See where you can help someone else out. And in that way, you end up with a good mix of give and take, so that you can really get the most out of that group. And if you find that perhaps a group is not what you thought it was to begin with, or maybe they are not as welcoming of having new opinions or your opinions in particular, that's okay. There's plenty more out there. So it's not like, there's only a few groups and you have to kind of take what you can get. There are thousands and thousands of groups out there. I mean, hundreds of thousands, probably millions. And, you know, there's something for everyone. So go ahead and take that step, take that leap. It may be a little scary at first. Some of them will ask some questions before you can join, or some will have fees, some are free. When it comes to that, once again, just make sure that you're doing what's best for you. It may be very well worth your while to pay a fee to join a group, especially if it's like a mastermind. If those people are really where you want to be and can get you to move the needle forward, or you may want to start out with something free to begin with and then ease your way in, or whatever. It's completely up to you. It's whatever works for you. Stay true to yourself, but the big thing is that you take action. So join and participate. So I think this is probably the world's fastest video. So on that note, there's your take action. Go find a group or more, and find at least one group and join it, and start participating. And bonus points if you join multiple groups and participate even more. So have a wonderful week, everyone. I am your financial educator, Jennifer Harder, saying goodbye for now.